Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options. Before we will set the gestures, which are right here. A quick disclaimer, if you want to stick to this option, so the 3-button navigation, you can customize it here just by tapping on More Settings, and as you can see you can reorder the buttons and manage the voice assistant. Alright, so in order to set the gestures we have to tap on this option at the top, and as you can see immediately instead of the 3 buttons we've got this basically empty space, and right now we can start using the gestures. Here we've got the gesture tutorial, so of course you can go through it and learn. Here we've got also the animation which will show you how to use them, but of course no worries, I will explain everything. Here we've got more settings, so we can manage the back sensitivity, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher, and you can manage the voice assistant. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device until we will see the arrow. Just like that, you can see the arrow, so we can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side, it works the same. If you want to get back and directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, swipe your finger from the bottom to center, but it should be a longer motion and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.